Hey guys, I will show you how to fix keyboard number keys are not working on Windows 11 operating system. This solution is also applicable for Windows 10, so don't worry. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So we are going to use on-screen keyboard to fix this issue. For that, just right click on the start icon, go to settings, then on this window we need to go to accessibility and then just scroll down and go for keyboard. Once we are here, again scroll down and click on screen keyboard, so enable this option and here we go. Now just go to search bar and then type here run, go here and then type here reg edit, then click on OK, select S, and now minimize the on-screen keyboard window and just go back to the main screen. So now we need to expand these HK local machine, so expand these, then go for the system folder, then expand current control set and then go for services folder. Once we are here, we need to just scroll down and find out the i8042 port. Just select it and on the right side right click on start, select modify and make sure you have to change the data value data as to 1. You can also use this on-screen keyboard to change it, so just select this and select 1, then click on OK and go to the search bar, go find out device manager using on-screen keyboard and then expand the keyboards, right click here, select properties and go to its drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first option. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection and the problem will be solved. The best driver will be installed. You can also check out the pin command so to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So check out and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Now you have to just restart the system and your problem will be solved.